Alright. What if I sign?
Just sign on the blank space upon the phone.
There you go.
Thank you. Now you're a part owner of a 25-seater. How you feel?
Productive and independent.
That is exactly how I feel.
Thanks.
So, tell me what you want to do now.
Shepherd don't know everything in her babes. Suppose I had a Monday, him a talk. What if she get the call already and pass and gone?
I still not trust her brother yet.
Babes, take my advice, alright? And allow your mother to talk to who she want to talk to.
You're right. She's our own big man.
Focus on the relationship where you and her have. Then you make that a mash up you wanna have.
Okay,
You promise?
no promise.
Alright, nice. So we can talk about our business now, right?
Alright, so what you want to tell me?
So, I get a response from the cruise ship.
Oh, so what them say?
I get the job, but me have like 3 days to respond.
Okay, congratulations, I guess.
Babe, listen me, like if you seriously don't want me to go, we can tell him no.
No, Kareem. Who would do that? It obviously has something where you want to do.
Babes, and because it can better our life, that is the only reason why me I do it.
I understand. It's just that the long distance relationship, it got new to me. Suppose you find a nice rich girl for care for you.
You mad? That not happen. That can't happen.
Oh, you so sure?
Because I know who I want, and I know who I have. You don't want nobody else.
Go on with your sweet mouth until you book a pretty white girl to sweep you off your feet.
Understand? What's that? I'm not attracted to white women. My woman are dark and slim.
Really? But me not slim.
No, but you're not fat either.
You sure? I'm me I describe?
T, them something me I talk about you know. If you don't joke aside, no man, the season, no man. After you me I talk, be.
Alright. A joke me I make. No, it's fine.
Oh, because if you ever spoil it, you have to pay for your own lunch.
You serious?
I just want to give that one, sir.
Oh, you're frightening me.
So, babes, what you say about the cruise ship job?
Take it, babe.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I am not say that just
Babe.
because.
I've been thinking about it. I mean, I say if I get through, it's okay for me.
I'm glad you understand.
Understand.
I'm trying to better get the man out there, you know?
Really? You know better than
The
that.
yacht boy white man and this and that, so I have to make you know.
Nothing to worry about. That was just...
Better understand.
Yeah, come. Oh, babe, a bubbles. My have to take it.
Yeah, babe, that good. That good.
Yes, Bubbles?
T, I'm gonna need you to move from this nurse girl. We'll tell the minister about your brother.
Alright, when exactly?
I will give you the details later, not over the phone.
Alright, cause I'm up on the road now, so I'm gonna reach in about 2 to 3.
That's good.
Alright,
I will come later.
alright, later.
Everything alright?
Yes, babe, everything alright.
Nice.
So, what's our next move?
Well, me the one got offer you if you like what look a bit. That good?
Okay, sir. Whatever you say.
Alright, babe. Get the bag.
By the way, when you're supposed to leave?
Me have 2 weeks left.
Oh, that means I have 2 weeks worth of fix up to get.
You know, easy, you know?
What do you mean? I forget enough for what me?
I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your way. Even when you win, it still feels like you lose. I wish that you could see what I see. You're so much stronger than what you think. No sleep, cause if you do, then you dream nightmares, but I'll be there for everything. Just think of me when your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go.